ओके, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कल हम लोगों ने जो बेसिक शुरू किया था उसी से रिलेटेड द प्रोग्राम रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स हैं आज, प्लस बेसिक प्रोग्रामिंग एज वेल। अच्छा, गूगल क्लासरूम पे आई हैव अपलोडेड द लिंक टू डाउनलोड बेसिक। ओके, बेसिक डाउनलोड करने के लिए आपको लिंक मैंने आपके साथ शेयर कर लिया है। शायान, हैव यू सीन इट? यू सेड इट यस्टरडे टू शेयर द लिंक। So you can download from that link. GW Basic can be downloaded from there. Take out your copies. Abdullah Hassan, have you downloaded GW Basic? I have shared the link in the classroom. Abdullah, mute your mic, yes. Tell me, have you download Basic?
Hello.
Ji, Ariba, mute your mic. Okay, these are the points which we discussed yesterday, so write it down properly in your copies. Now start writing. Basic is a high-level language. It was done yesterday, but I am going to repeat it again. So if you have any line skipped, you can write it. Basic is a high-level language. It stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. As it is a high-level language, so it needs a translator to translate into machine code. It was introduced by John Kameny and Thomas Kurtz. Write it down quickly. There are two modes of BASIC: direct mode, and this mode is used to write commands without line number, and indirect mode, and this mode is used to write statements with line number in a program. Point number 3 is, in BASIC, interpreter is used as a translator. Write it down. Abiha, I have shared a link in Google Classroom to download BASIC. You can download BASIC from there. Yesterday night, I shared a link from where I downloaded GW Basic, so you can download from there. Raise your hands, how many of you have done it? Students, raise your hands if you've done it. Yes, Ahmad, you were not in the yesterday's class? There are two modes of BASIC. Direct mode, this mode is used to write commands without line number. In indirect mode, we used to write statements with line number in a program. And in BASIC, interpreter is used as a translator. So this is your copy work. Copy it down in your copies at the back of your copies. This is your practical work, actually. Now this is the example. I gave it yesterday and I made in the GW Basic this example. Write it down. 10 CLS, 20, let A equal to 10, 30, let B equal to 20, 40, let C equal to A plus B, 50, print A, B, C, and 60 is N. What is the meaning of this comma? I told you yesterday, what is the meaning of this comma? What is the purpose of this commas between the variables? Nawal, at the back of your copy. Right, what is the purpose of this comma? Hurry up, I want a quick feedback. Hasnan, Hamad, what is the purpose of these commas? Yes, Alishba, very good. Yes, Nawal. Very good. Anybody else? Ahsan Raza, what is the purpose of this comma? Hasnan, mute yourself, and Hamad, you too. Yes, Ahsan Raza, what is the meaning of this and? You can unmute yourself and give me the answer. Ahsan Raza, unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Boliye, give me the answer. What is the purpose of this commas?
Shayad and
No. It is giving. It is used to give the space. How many space? How much space?
for one alphabet.
No. Write it down. Comma is used to give 14 characters space. Mute yourself now. Comma is used to give 14 characters space. Right? While, write it down everybody. Comma is used to give 14 characters space, while semicolon is used to give one character space in result, in or in output. Comma is used to give 14 characters space, while semicolon is used to give one space in result. Done? Raise your hands. Hamad, we need to identify the values of the variables separately. So the space is given to identify it or to make it display properly. Done, everybody? Comma is used to give 14 characters space, while semicolon is used to give one character space in output. Shayan, have you downloaded GW Basic? Now write the function keys. These are the main function keys which you are using most frequently, right? These are the function keys used more frequently. Write the function keys: F1 for list of the program, F2 to run the program, F3 to load a program from memory, and F4 to save a program. Write it down. Important function keys: F1 to list the program, F2 to run the program. F3 is to load a program from memory. And F4 to save a program. Raise your hands when you're done. Only 6 students. What about the rest of others? Now, the important points. Important points, you need to write these points to keep in your mind before making the program. Write the important points. Point number 1, I'm dictating. Okay, write it down. Give the heading of important points and write point number 1. Always write new command. Always write new command before starting the second program. Always write new command before starting the second program. Always write new command before starting the second program. Keep in mind, I'm writing second program, not the first program, because in first program, the memory is refreshed, so there is no need to write new command. But when we start the second program, the previous program is present in the memory, so you need to refresh the memory, okay? Also, always write new command before starting the second program. And I showed it yesterday that if you have not done the new command, you have not written a new command, the asterisk will appear with the line number. And that asterisk means that your memory is not refreshed. You need to refresh it. Point number 2, take the list of the program by using take the list of the program. Take the list of the program by using F1 when there is any error. When there is any error. Take the list of the program by using F1 when there is any error. Point number 3, save the program after completion. Save the program after completion. After completion means when you run the program, when you see the output, everything is fine, you can save the program. Save the program after completion. Point number 4, saved programs can be seen. Saved programs can be seen by files command. Saved programs can be seen by files commands. Acha, keep in mind this is not file, this is with S plural, files. Files command displays the list of basic files, right? Like when we open any folder, we have the list of files there. In the same way, by writing files commands, files, only files, right? By writing files, we can see the files, all the files of GW Basic on our screen. So this was point number 4. Number 5, this is the most important point. Most important point, क्योंकि ये mistake आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. Always use enter key. Always use enter key to move to the next line. to move to the next line while making corrections in program, while making corrections in program. Using arrow keys will not save the program. Using arrow keys will not save the program or will not save the corrections. अच्छा, अब ये पॉइंट डिस्कस करते हैं. जब प्रोग्राम में कोई एरर आता है, व्हेन देयर इज एनी एरर डिस्प्लेड ऑन योर स्क्रीन, यू नीड टू करेक्ट इट. जब उस लाइन नंबर पे आपने करेक्ट कर दिया, लाइक ये लाइन नंबर है मेरे पास, इसमें मैंने करेक्शन कर दी, और करेक्शन करके यूजुअली वी आर हैबिचुअल टू मूव बाय एरो कीज. हम कोशिश करते हैं एरो कीज से, हमारी मतलब यूज टू हैं कि एरो कीज से हम नीचे आ जाते हैं. बट एरो की से नीचे आने का मतलब ये है कि आपने जो करेक्शन की है वो सेव नहीं होगी. सो ऑलवेज यूज एंटर की टू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. जब आप एंटर की प्रेस करेंगे तब वो करेक्शन जो आपने की है वो सेव हो जाएगी, अदरवाइज आपकी करेक्शन सेव नहीं होगी और अगेन वही एरर डिस्प्ले होगा आपके पास. So these are the important points, 5 important points. Have you all written it? Raise your hands. Six hands out of 19. Huzaifa Ali, you joined late. Seven. And what about the others? Huzaifa Ali, Abiha, Ehsan Raza, Farjad, Ehsan Masood, Minhal. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. Look at the slide and write the points very carefully, everybody. Yes, Abiha? Yes, Nawal. At the back of your copy, make a portion of for practical and write the points there. All basic work will be done in the practical portion. Make a portion of around 10 to 15 or 10 pages, 10 to 12 pages, and write every point there. Done? Shall I move to the next slide? Okay. Next, the most important thing in the program are the variables. The most important thing, variables. I told you yesterday that variable is a place, a block, an address from in which a value can be stored. A variable is a symbolic name for or reference to information. Like if I'm giving a equal to 10, it means that there must be an address of a block of a in the memory where 10 is going to be saved. The variable's name represents what information the variable contain. कौन सी information उस variable के अंदर है. The string, it could be string, it could be numeric. They are called variables because the represented information can change, but the operations on the variable remains the same. जो operation हो रहा है variables पे वो हमेशा same रहेगा. ठीक है? Write it down, the definition of variable. A variable is a symbolic name. A variable is a symbolic name for information. A variable is a symbolic name for information. The variable's name represents what information the variable contains. What information the variable contain. Shayan, mute your mic, please. First up, they are called variables. They are called variables because they are called variables because the represented information can change. No, Hamad, this is the wrong example. I'll explain it. Can change, but the operations on the variable remain the same. But the operations on the variable remain the same. Done? Raise your hands. Shayan, you are not writing. Look at the slide. I'll give you 1 minute to complete it if you have anything left. Now, these are the examples of variables. GW basic variable name may be of any length up to 40 characters. Like ये जो variable name है, it could be of 40 characters, but not more than that, right? 40 characters are significant. The characters allowed in a variable name are letters, numbers, and decimal points. यानी इस variable name में letters आ सकते हैं, numbers आ सकते हैं, लेकिन but the first character must be alphabet. The first character in the variable name must be a letter. First character must be an alphabet, right? The first character of the variable name must be an alphabet. Special type declaration character are also allowed. So the variable name can be of any length up till 40 characters. The variable name can be up to 40 characters. Ji Salman, I told you before at the back of your copy, practical portion, in practical portion, right? Practical portion should be separate. Reserve words. What are the reserve words? The keywords, the basic command, which are used as basic commands. All the words used as GW basic commands, statements, functions, and operators can't be used as variable names. वो variable name के तौर पर use नहीं हो सकते. Like if I want to use let as a variable, it's not possible. If I use input as a variable, it's not possible. But if the reserve word is embedded with the variable name, it will be allowed. यानी उस reserve word के साथ कुछ और भी आप ऐड करेंगे तो वो variable name बन सकता है. ठीक है. Input के साथ अगर मैं input ABC variable name रखूंगी, that could be possible. But if I give only input as a variable, it is not allowed. Right? Variable may be represent either numeric values or string. यानी दो तरह के variables होते हैं, numeric and string. This is the example of a numeric variable and this is the example of string variable. So what is the difference? In numeric values, we give numeric variable single character, or it could be 40 characters name, but in string value, when I give any string value, when I give characters in the value, I have to give $sign with the variable, and the value must be in quotation marks, must be in quotation marks, right? Wait. Now I'll open. Yes, Hamad, the whole term before the equal to sign is variable, is considered as a variable, right? Now write it down, then I'll share the screen of basic.
भी उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ है.
Huzaif Ali, mute yourself. Okay. Now, Ehsan Masood, unmute yourself and tell me what are the variables. Ehsan Masood, within no time, unmute yourself and tell me what are the variables. Ehsan, do you listen me? Ariba Adnan, unmute yourself. Ariba. Who is this, Mohammed? Yes, Abiha, correct. Yes, Minhal. Minhal, is it only the letters or we can get the combination of all these? Embedded means the combination of, like if I'm giving you giving the variable name input, I have to write something else as well with that reservoir. Okay, Farjad, unmute yourself and tell me what is the difference between numeric and string variable. Hamad, tell me any important point of any important point from the points I gave. Have you all done? Okay. So this is basic screen. Take the example of numeric and string variables. ओके, इसमें मैंने न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू दी है, ये न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू है और ये स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू है, ठीक है। स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू जब मैंने दी है यानी नेम दिया है तो मैंने इसके साथ डॉलर का साइन दिया है। न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू में मैंने डॉलर का साइन नहीं दिया और फिर इसका प्रिंट यानी इसका रिजल्ट देखने के लिए $, या PH। अच्छा, वेरिएबल हम चेंज भी कर सकते हैं। अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी जो 5th पॉइंट मैंने इंपॉर्टेंट बताया था आपको कि करेक्शन आप करेंगे तब आप एंटर की से नीचे आएंगे, ठीक है। यहाँ मुझे करेक्शन करनी है वेरिएबल नेम में। इंसर्ट की मैंने ऑन की ताकि मैंने जो आगे लिखा है वो डिलीट ना हो। इंसर्ट की ऑन करके मैं वेरिएबल नेम चेंज कर रही हूँ, NAME, ठीक है। ये मैंने वेरिएबल नेम लिख दिया यानी वेरिएबल नेम मैंने चेंज कर दिया। अब मैं आ रही हूँ एरो की से नीचे, राइट। एरो की से मैं नीचे आई हूँ। अब मैं ये लिस्ट ले रही हूँ। आप ये देखिए कि यहाँ पर वेरिएबल नेम जो मैंने चेंज किया था वो चेंज नहीं हुआ, ठीक है। अब इसे मैं दोबारा चेंज करूँगी और लाइन नंबर 40 भी नहीं आई। क्यों 40 नहीं आई? इसलिए कि मैंने उसके बाद लाइन नंबर के बाद एंटर प्रेस नहीं किया था, ठीक है। यहाँ पर मैंने इंसर्ट की ऑन की, NAME डिलीट कर दूँ अगर आगे के कैरेक्टर। नाउ आई प्रेस एंटर। अब मैं एंटर से जब नीचे आऊँगी तो वो लाइन सेव हो जाएगी। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव लाइन नंबर 40, दैट इज प्रिंट NAME $, comma, and then PH for phone number. Now I press enter, line number 50, and enter now F2. Syntax error in line number 20. What would be the error? For that I'll use F1 to see the list of that. देखिए यहाँ पर क्या एरर है, नेम $, और उसके बाद यहाँ पर एक लिस्ट का ऑप्शन आ रहा है जो कि नहीं आना चाहिए, ठीक है। इसको हम करेक्ट कर देते हैं। एंड पे जाके लिस्ट क्लियर करें, एंटर से नीचे आएंगे। एंटर से आने की इंडिकेशन ये है कि आपके लाइन नंबर के स्टार्ट पर कर्सर आएगा। अगेन एन एरर मीन्स ये वेरिएबल नेम में कोई ना कोई मिस्टेक है। ऑल्दो देयर इज नो एरर in this program, there is no error, but it gives you again and again error. So I'll enter it and list it again. Now I'm going upward, line number 20, change the name of the variable again. Hamad, yes, always write new command before starting the second program. Good. Is it necessary to capitalize all the words? No, beta, it's not case sensitive. It is, you can write any case, either uppercase or lowercase, right? Write the program, this one, and do it right now. Write it down in your copies. Write the program in your copies. And if you have any confusion, any problem, you can ask me. You can save the program. You can save the program by using F4 function key, right? Nawal, this is not the slide. It is actually the environment of BASIC. It is BASIC software. It is not the slide. I have opened BASIC software, right? If you want to clear the screen, if you want to a new screen, you can write CLS. You can get the new screen, right? By using CLS, you can get the new screen. By using F1, you can see the program again. Right? Write the program and do it in your computers and save it by F4. So you can save the program with any name. Like you can write program number 1. Nawal, is the confusion clear? Right? Okay. Now, any problem, any confusion? What does it mean, Salman? Okay, now write your names in the chat box quickly. Till next class, take care. Allah Hafiz.